Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change a cover of a video post or reel on Instagram. To do this, go to the publication and click on the three top points. Then we will click on Edit. Next, we will see the editing panel. To change the cover, we will click on the Edit option of the thumbnail. Here we will be able to choose a frame from the video itself as the cover by sliding the selected one that appears. We can also choose a custom photo from the reel. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Once we have chosen the cover image, we can click on Done and then on the check above to apply the changes. Finally, we will see the changed cover. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.